This tutorial shows you how to send your files to a folder of your choice automatically. First, click the Start button. Click Settings. After that, click System. From there, click Storage. At this point, click Advanced Storage Settings. In the next step, click Where New Content is Saved. Following this, click the drop-down next to New Downloads will save to. Once done, select your preferred drive or location. From here, this only changes the default drive, so you may still need to set the exact folder in your browser. At this stage, open your browser settings and search for Downloads. Keep in mind, changing the location here won't move files you've already downloaded, so it only applies to new downloads going forward. Finally, click Change next to the download location and select your preferred folder to confirm. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the default download location on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.